everybody, this is Noah from WomToy review. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this robot. Up next. Now just go ahead and open it. Wow, this is a very cool robot. Basically, it's a very cool one. Well, very cool. And yeah, so we're going to unbox this. Oh, there's a manual. Magic. So this is the manual where it has everything in it that clues. Well, we're gonna open this up to see what they have inside. Oh, there. Okay. So, you get this little charger, to charge it. You get this little screw too, you screw it. And then you get this directions, like manual.
Instructions guide.
Instructions. It's kind of a little hard to get out. There. And this is the manual. Let me open it up to see what this says inside.
It tells you how to set it up and how to get it to start running. So he's going to go ahead and put it together and we'll be right back.
Be right back. Okay, we're going to turn it on. Let's play some music. It goes back. You could try to turn the music. That's the first one. It comes with a little remote.
It's a little watch remote.
Kids, if you like this video right now. Okay, let's go ahead and play it.
He turns like this.
Turn it on. You know!
Turn it on.
Whoa! That's how wheels on the back. Whoa! Thank you for watching. Hold on. Thank you for watching. If you want this robot so bad, get in the link in the description below. You can get this remote too. Like, guys. Yes, see we can hit 20 likes. Hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button. You can see